People of the South, once again, this is your boy, your gentleman, Israel Matseke Zulu. Welcome to Israel Matseke Zulu podcast, up close and personal. Allow me to introduce our host, Fogababa. Shapo Janla. Fede? No, man, Avaras. But it's Kuvet under Cosset. It's Pogen attack. Yeah.
No, that's all right.
It's all right. It's all right, me out. So, Cheetah, who are you?
Nikki Dietrich Mahlatsi Manfini, aka Zorum Cheetah.
Oh, Zorum Cheetah.
Yeah.
Zorum Cheetah. Where are you original?
Originally, I'm a Captain Park at Glen Marais.
Oh.
Yeah.
Then
Mpumalanga, Davidson, Modapi outside.
Oh, you originally from Captain Park, Glen Marais, suburb.
Yeah.
Cheese boy.
Yeah.
Okay, impilo edladleni benjani nje? Your well-being mawukhula nje, life at home. Khule kanjani?
Angikhule grand, single parent, ngikhuliswe umagogo.
Okay.
Yeah, C4 endlini, 2 boys, 2 girls.
Okay.
Yeah, 2 boys, 2 girls. Washona lo mfana oyi-1 mangisedanyana. Wasala le 2 boys nami.
So when we first born or the second born?
Me first born.
Oh, we first born.
Yeah.
Bese kulandela intombazana.
Second born
Umfana. Third born?
Intombazana.
Intombazana. Last born?
Intombazana.
Oh, kuvala amantombazana.
Kuvala amantombazana.
Okay, uattende kuphi isikolo?
Ngathenda iMihlari Combined Farming School. Ngisuke eMihlari Combined Farming School ngaya eJeje secondary. Angisuka eJeje ngabuya back to Mihlari futhi again.
Ethembisa.
La ngase Captain Park.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh, Captain Park. Okay.
Sepomona Road.
Good.
Yeah.
So, what led you to prison?
Eshabangani.
Abangani, ne?
Try to fit in.
Yeah.
Into engamelanga ufithe kizo.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yize mina ezingifake ejele because everything benispana grand construction namanye ngisenza yona construction.
Okay.
Benispana grand construction. Ngala around esoya kimi. Ngikholile ngiphethe imali. Sayiqasha avance. Ngicasha avance yangithatha ngisemoda.
Hawu, kiwa aroundini uyaspana aroundini uspana.
Yes.
Iyenzakala kanjani le?
Yenzekala ukuthi sometimes friends we don't choose the good friends.
Yeah.
And sometimes sifuna ukubonakala ebanganini ukudlula ukubonakala efamilini endlini.
Okay.
Ufuna ukuthi abangane ngaphandle bakuthathele koptu but endlini ukhohle ukuthi yibo abakuthathela koptu ukudlula laba abangani le ngaphandle.
Ngoba noma sokhawathekile sosedanyani ifamily ezayo izokubhesuka. Abangani abasekho. Or you've suffered from sense of belonging.
Thank you.
Peer pressure. You wanted to prove a point with no nami ngijita nami ngiphume emzansi ningagcwala ngayo. So ikula kumosheka zonke izinto. So i-crime commit crime enjani?
Commit robbery and house arrest.
House arrest. Yeah, schedule 6.
Schedule 6. Ish.
So niboshwa nini?
Niboshwa 2015. Yeah, and trial without no pay. 2015, 2016, 2017, no pay. 2018, 13 plus 13 is 26 years. Angizwe ngathi ngiyahlanya.
26 years plus 3 years yase-trial.
Yes.
It's 29 years.
Siyayibona.
Futhi phela wena ushizile bangakagwebi.
Ish. Ngathi mabaceda ukungigweba ngabe kudala ngavuma lento ithi singabe sina 3 years esikoleni.
Yeah, ngabe seyigijimile lento.
Uyayibona.
Eish.
Bathola ukuthi asekulate. Uyayibona.
Beningakho abo-accuse ecaleni.
Besi-2.
Beni-2.
2.
No-2 banithola skeldag.
So 2 basithola sikela. I choose number 1. Yini. I choose number 2 maqala. Mina bangishaya na 13 years.
Yeah.
eRobert babuye bangishaya na 13 years I was arrested. I choose bangishaya na 13 years position of firearm pair.
Yeah, the position of illegal firearm. Bamshaya 13 years.
Bangishaya na 13 years.
Azange ku-childhood yakho no-accuse macala wakho azange nicabane nje as friends.
Etanyana.
Nijikelane nje along the journey empilweni nje. Kanenza izinto maybe kube nalo betray omunye icala ngoba selenzima omunye abone ukuthi no omunye kumele ayejele omunye akumelanga ayejele.
Zanele ukuba khona into ezinjengalezo.
Yeah.
Because manje besebafuna ukwenza mina state witness.
Okay.
Ngayiphikisa bathatha I-choose bafuna ukumenza state witness. Wayiphikisa nayo yabona.
Yeah.
Bathi mase sibuya ke manje sesigwetshiwe ngamtshela I-choose yabona ngabe vele besiyenzile le state witness nami ngesenzile bekufana ngoba nawo nase siyabhantita manje ayikho yena. So mina nawo asibe so.
Yeah.
Uyangithola.
Yeah.
Ngoba from outside yazi Davidson.
Yeah.
Language.
Yeah.
Tsotsitali yabona. Wena ntwana wena ngiyakubona liwe makhona iba la.
Yeah.
I-choose ejele zangathatha umthetho. Into wanginceda ngayo ngambonga ngathi sathi saqeda isigwebo.
Yeah.
Ngathi ngizoprotect ntwana zangathatha umthetho.
Yeah.
Mina ngathatha umthetho ngoba unongolozo ejele.
Okay.
Because of what? Small nangena ejele. Ngisathanda isimokolo too much. Ngithanda isimokolo kakhulu. Yinto yangenza ukuthi yangilela ukuthi ngcine ngivele senginongolozo.
Ngoba i-small is-operator abashaya umthetho. Kuze ungene intweni laphana wabona ukuthi no ngcono nami ngithatha inamba ngizokwazi ukuthi ngiphushe imokolo.
Khona ukuphusha imokolo zami kahle.
The worst scenario enomboleni uma soshaya inombolo yini into ohlangabezane nayo? A bad ongathi uyitshela i-youth manje uyitshela abantu abamamele bazokwazi ukubona ukuthi ijele is not a good place inombolo kufana ukuthi usayine noSathan. The worst scenario.
The worst scenario. Kumbulela ngelinye I-choose wami yavuka ekuseni. After phaka vele uza kimi. Uthi Jombonile lapha eseyilini lapha manje. Nelinye timer lapha everyday la timer lela. Should I-choose ibamfuna. Yabona?
Yeah.
Manje bababhizi bamfuna kanje and bayambona ukuthi oh lo I-choose kanje. And manje masingamsukela lo muntu lo uzotshela I-choose wakhe. Mara asking kumele sishaye I-choose wakhe ngebomb kule section ayekwenye isection sikhona ukudila nomntwana. Yayibona?
Yeah.
Manje umntwana makeza ke mazongitshela athi ejo lapha esele ngangilala everyday babhizi bangikhwatha bangivuse in. Ngoba nami ngisesejele ngisahlanya ngakabheki ukuthi kumele ngifunde ngiphume ejele nginani. Begena ngiyabhantita la ngizotshelwa ukuthi la uphethe ticket lami nami ngiphethe ticket lami yabona. I-choose ngeke sizwe ngalo madala simlanga.
Yeah.
To find out umadala uyinkokolo. I-Big 5.
Oh.
I didn't read ukuthi umadala uyi-Big 5. Mina ngambile ngayo umadala imadala yeli kusukela lo muntu. Ubhizi umvusa ebusuku kanje nakanje. Lento lezokucabanisa nayo. Athi hayi man ezoro ingedima kancane. Ngoba nami sengihluthulekile no I-choose kahluthulekile ke manje. Good. Phezu komadala. Madala uyaphakama kama sesizwa hey lemthaka esela 5 sengiyabona ukuthi esani la
sengabiza amafoni
shayisana itimela ngenye indlela.
Yeah.
Yabona sengiyabamba esani lo muntu i-Big 5. Sengenzakalani sekumele 28 and a Big 5. Sishayisane le manje. Vayani I-choose and I-choose bacela ubani lo muntu.
Kusho ukuthi enombolweni njengoba sesokushayisana itimela kanje beyivuma ku-Big 5 ukuthi ayidale lento bekafuna ukuyidala ngenombolo.
ngenombolo yakhe
beyivuma and then wena ngenombolo yakho njengonongoloza ayivumi uachoose Makala
wathi mina ngibheke sonke isibani nithi unongoloza uyobhekile umdala omncane isilimo konke bangakini
unongoloza as the last uyophetha ibhilidi uye inkosi enkulu
injalo
and then wonke lamanye amakhosi lawo amancane affiliate under yena. Okay, so inombolo leyo that was the worst scenario.
Wathola ukuthi manje sekuba ngenye indlela ngicina sengisema-ofisini sekumele ngicharge kumele ngi-explain ukuthi kwenzakaleni ini seyangidonsa futhi enombolweni yangibuza ukuthi into ubani lo wena bomstand up ngithi I-choose but ayibhalweni akekho I-choose ngithi amara nina nayifake inombolo nathi so-defenda lonke ibhilidi lakanongoloza akekho yoceka sikangako bathi ngihambe ngidefenda
nge-experience yakho irrespective ukuthi wena ushaye umthetho. Let's say intwana yangena ejele manje bengekho aware ayazi next indlule endaweni e-wrong ngesikhathi esi-wrong innocently accused bayayibamba izitholise emabhilidini ejele. Will you advise ukuthi inombolo i-grand or ayikho grand?
Inombolo ayikho grand. Why ngithi inombolo ayikho grand? Izokushintsha your mindset. Ngento lezi wena ucabange ukuthi uma ungena ejele ngento ukungena ejele bakutshela kunani nama-N courses uyakhona ukufunda N1 to N6 uphume sewunama-diploma nani. Mara inombolo yoyishintsha yonke leya mindset because ubro mina mangicala ngifunde imfihlo angazongitshela ngale nombolo sila asambe sokheni ubani asambe sobheka ubani asambe soyenza in your quality time ayisekho awusana sikhathi sakho
soyabuswa
ngithola kushuthi manje sekunento eyiningi yiko nami ngithe mangiphume enombeleni ngiphume sewu-late esigwebeni ngabona ukuthi esani la ngiyakhona mani no phela ngisaya ngaphandle angizofela la ejele yona yasho inombolo ukuthi unongoloza ubholela istage mara mina angisuwunongoloza mina nguzulu ngeke ngifele la ngaphandle ngifika ngiphetheni ukukhombisa ukuthi I've learned something nami ngifundise nencosi yami ijele kusona phela uma uphuma enombolo uma uphuma ejele ngu-general incosi yami mayifika ngaphandle ngomtshelana
and ubugeneral bani ngoba ngaphandle kunama-general angempela the real ones the mafians nabo-general bamaphoyisa abo-brigadiri and then nawe uyavela endlini uzoba yi-general endlini. So eDanyani yini into ozifundile eDanyani ophume nazo ngaphandle ezikusebenzelayo manje ngaphandle? Usempower ngani ejele? How did you sharpen yourself? Which are the elements or the tools that you used or you've loaded ukuthi mawuphuma ngaphandle ube umuntu otransformed ophila impilo efana nabanye abantu abangakaze bangene ejele, abantu abaziphilela innocently, abazisurvivelayo?
Ngicethe umoya ukhata kuthiwa ukhila la khata ngingimkhohle bengithanda everything mina into yami bengiyenza ejele bengenza sure ukuthi ngilala nginesimokolo ngifunika imali kumele ngithume ubani ayothenga inyawupe indanda mara ngibhekile ukuthi ngigcilaza umphakathi ngisengangaphakathi kusho ukuthi nangaphandle ngithengisa inyawupe ayikho lento yami bengiyenza sekungayikhatha lefika lekhata ukhila lahlala nami phansi lathi intwana udume njenge-BMW ngathi why athi uyalazi i-BM wonke umuntu nje ufuna ukuba ne-BM wena imoda yonke zoro yini ungathathi legama le-BM wabona wonke umuntu i-BM idura kanjani uthenga kanjani nawe sikuthenge udure njenge-BM athi mara time usho ukuthini athi ntwana uwintelligent ukhona ukwenza lokhu la ngaphakathi kwalesigubhu ukhona ukudizayina isikeke ngisifake la ngaphakathi nama-sticks ngisidizayine ngivule la ngisifake siphelele
ulwandle
ulwandle
sisibone nasi lesikepe siyaswima
ngaphakathi ngikhona ukudraw ngikhona ukukhuluma in drawings bengenza ama-plans almost ama-plan wezindlu the time alithi hayi wena wawungafundi la kunama-courses funde chubeke ngesigila ubone ukuthi yini into ongayenza ngidaya athi ngena ama-courses funda ama-course ngaphasa tholenye out bathi Eugene Mphithi i-artist uyadraw ngifunda ama-courses manje ngibhizi ngithanda i-drawing yabona mara mina ngenza i-drawing yamaplan mara nale ayenza ngiyayithanda angena ngakile i-drawing but hayi nasi certificate sakho se-drawing ngiyasibeka for 3 months ngenze lokho ngithi angayenza nala 3 months ngingatholani uDaso kunika esinye futhi ngishaya nala 3 months futhi i-drawing 6 months but hayi nali class afundise abanye abantwana with how to draw ngithi avele bamnika iclass sengiyafundisa lapha ngifundisa abantwana ukudraw ngapha ngibhizi ngenza ama-courses ngenza ama-courses ama-courses ngithole I'm a building civil construction
building civil construction
mangithi ngithole certificate sami siyabuya ayiniki we are a building civil construction ngedayi lento bengifuna la ngaphandle ngifunde from outside mara ngayithola ejele ngaphandle la incwadi yabona i-whiskers nami busy ngezinye izinto yabona mama civil construction and iphepha ngiyalibheka melusi sitha musakunamodabi la akuna-prison number kune-ID yami la lesi certificate yinto engimele ngifike ngayo ngaphandle sengisebenzela phezu kwayo ngasisebenzela phezu kwayo
until today that's what you do for living. So uhlala kuphi manje
ngihlala eDavidton.
Uhlala eDavidton?
Ngihlala eDavidton, ngihlala nesester lami nefro nesipari sami.
Okay.
Yiso isipari sami u-Aaron uye ke ngathi ngisesejele wangifonela wathi kunesipani ngisibekele wena esiphila iBears. Bears chocolate.
Okay.
La Captain Partina besenza engale ngase-Jimmy Steele.
Okay. Okay.
Siphila.
So mawucabanga ke if we go back besingapreventa kanjani ukuthi le phupho lakho lingafezeki mase uphuma ejele lifezeke ungakangeni ejele? That will help the young ones, the upcomings. Ukuzurealize ukuthi wena kahle you are a civil engineer or you are an architect or you are a constructor. Mawucabanga yini ngabe uyenzile usaseyintwana?
I was supposed to follow my dreams, not follow friends.
Yeah, it's profound. Don't follow friends. Follow your dreams. Unabantwana?
Nginabantwana.
Abayingaki?
Abayi-2.
And ufuna abantwana bakho babe proud ngawo ngithi basho ukuthi no babethu buyile. Are you aware ukuthi thina amajita masingekho as presently to our kids or to our families igebe engakanani leyo?
Enkulu kakhulu.
I believe we uncle ubhuti omkhulu ejani bakunida makunama funeral or bakunida badinga usizo abomama sebakhulile thina asikho sisejele. Siyabhantita.
Someone will take over your space.
Someone will come and take over your space. Uphuma ngaphandle kini sokuyisitoro sama-Pakistan ongena ama-Somalia ngoba umntwana omfana akekho and bayalamba abomama ekhaya ama-Pakistan babanika impuphu nama-teen staff to take over the house.
Ayigcine balapho vele.
So masuphumile ke manje bapha bangani nalaba bowudumile on their behalf bakushipa ukuthi awuzoro simphethe yinja istriker baku-receive kanjani or baku-rejecte kanjani, and then how did you overcome?
Yazi maphuma ejele ekunama-challenges abhaya because manje umakhi bamcocele ngawo, umntwana ese-next door bamcocele ngawo, akakwazi, and imali naye umuntu sekavelile. Only thing that they know, lesasiboshwa babaceda la bazobona neveni izobreak. Ngina 7 months ngingaphandle ngiphumile.
Usase-fresh
7 months ngaphandle.
7 months uyasayina?
Ngiyasayina.
Uyosayina for how many years?
Ngiyosayina until 2030.
2030.
Yeah.
So how do you discipline yourself to maintain the parole supervision condition? Ukuthi bakuthole ekhaya no-12 maye funeralini or emshadweni, you report all that procedure, because most ex-cons they violate the rights under the correctional supervision bese bayababuyisela for 3 days. Abanye bathi ama-parole breaker or umuntu commit crime uyabuyela kulesa sigwebo sakho uyaqhoka asahamba i-court angithi i-parole breaker. Well, how do you maintain your discipline ukuthi ube discipline mabakufuna bayakuthola awuphuma endleleni? Ngiyawazi wonke la marules, nami ngisayine eRandburg mangiphume eSun City ngishisele khona eMotapi abaqeda ukungigweba draft Motapi 1996 ngiphume 1999 ngiphumele eSun City ngoba eSun City kungasekhaya Johannesburg, mara originally Sun City is observers, is an observatory. Akunamuntu onelungelo lokubhandita lapho, wonke umuntu must be transferred. But by lucky ngoba benginelinye icala further charge, I had to come back to Motapi masiphela lesigqoko sami sokuqala. But buya amaphepha bezidlala uyalazi leli
buya amaphepha bezidlala.
So ngaviolate mina, benginama violation ayi-18, angifuni ukukhuluma amanga. I violated the rights, but ma-orange nasi isikhiya uyabuyela wena, bekumele bangise lokho. But by lucky, because I was a superstar, ngaphuma shaya yizo ngathi no bobaba mina bengiyo-actor, abantu ngimele ngabusitshelile ngithi ngenhlanhla ngomusa kaNkulunkulu ne-discipline yami lama-violation bengithi mangibamela amaphoyisa bangafiki ngajutheka ngaphuma majidi abantu asambe siyogroova bayafika. Mangifika umolile athi abe bakhona baleke bawabhanka lamaphepha and ngingabuyeli futhi ngireport ukuthi ngizwile bathi benikhona bengekho bokumele ngibuyelile kahle. So why I'm asking this question? This question will help the parolees. The parolees abantu abasase-fresh njengawo 7 months ukuthi bafethu yini ebalulekile, how can you maintain this discipline so that abobaba mabafikile bathole ukuthi uqondile?
Nangi-maintaine ngento eyi-1 ngomu-Arun kakhulu isibari sami. Ngithe mangiphume ejele ngihleli 2 months ngakhela ulili lami idladla kancane ngabe kune-18 ngoba vele ngumuntu okwakha. Ngakha uroom laka-Ulidi ngaliceda, ngathi mangiliceda isibari sami sathi indoda sekuyisikhathi manje. Ngathi akuleya mbobo yakhe yavuleka, angihamba ngayo esipanini. Mangifika la ngathola enye ingane labathi uGeorge. Ngitshela athi indoda u-Arun ungitshelile ngawo, ngiwazi umsebenzi esona. Ngathi angazi umsebenzi esona sikafula kanje nakanje. Wathi indoda cela uze nabantu bakhe abayi-10. Ngeza nabo abantu bami abayi-10. Ngisebenza ngalanda 2 offenders. Engizibona ukuthi ziyabhayiziseka yabona. Kumachita wozana sincenye iparole ngalanda ama-official wonke. Madoda la senginomsebenzi so ngenza so ngoba manje angakabi nayo A-group, bengisacela i-traveling time ukuthi ngesikhathi so ngizobe ngekho, ngisebenza Monday to Saturday. Athi ngathi ceda ukufika manje wena Unabantu abayengaka usebenza ngadani nabantu abayithene ngibaqashile ngisebenzana.
Yeah.
Yo. Asingaba labor issues ngingafana nawe. Ngida azofana nami ngathi nami semkhona. Kumele at least kube nomuntu.
So you have a construction company of your own?
I don't have my own company.
Do you consider to have it?
Yo.
You must have it.
Yo.
Why don't you go to Pretoria, you go register?
Eish.
Khona nabanye abadila ngaleso spani abaziyo ukuthi kunabantu abavela phayo to comply to go and fill the forms. You contact them, baza-advertise, bayabhala ama-phone number emapholini everywhere. Bakurejistela i-company.
Yiko mina yami ngayithatha ngayifaka ku-TikTok.
Yabona mangukubhekile wena you creating work. You creating work. You must have your own company.
Yes.
Ngikunika i-platform ke manje. I want you to advertise yourself. Kuthi mabakufuna for building construction, for scaffolding, for whatever that you are doing. Ukuthi bazokuthola kuphi. Now ama-camera tell the people ukuthi now uZoro sekakhona umelusi ngegama lasendlini. Bafowethu mina manje ngifuna ukungisebenzisa ngishaya ispanel so ngikaye nomsebenzi.
Hayi mina nguniki bafowethu manje ngifuna ngitholakala la ku-TikTok Nikki Dietrix ku-TikTok. Phone number nakhona ku-phone number is 065 6547 9744.
Iphinde futhi number
065 6547 9744. Iyo le number yami ine WhatsApp yona leyo number le.
Yeah, tell them what do you do.
I provide ceiling,
yeah,
carpentry, plastering, roofing, paving, fitting door, scaffolding, construction work, all the construction work. Ngene endlini ngikwenzele konke mina. All win unity, all paint, everything. Nangukunika isikhiya wena ungena ngengubo zolala. I do everything.
Good.
In construction.
Mangibhekile uzoba ne-company wena ube ne-van, your first car uzoyithenga, uthenga ibhaki so that ukwazi ukuyosebenza. Ibhaki yakho izokuthengela i-325.
Yes.
Izokuthengela i-C63.
True. 325.
I-325. Izokuthengela mfowethu wababa, believe in your dream, believe in who you are.
Yeah.
Izokuthengela ithemba lamahomusha. Uyangizwa ukuthi ngithini?
Ngiyakuzwa.
Yeah. Sinokubhayiziseka sibone ngathi ama-gift wethu or ama-talent wethu or ama-skills wethu, they are lesser than criminals. There are people who have made us to believe ukuthi in order to survive in life, you must be a gangster or you must be a criminal. There's no other way. No, mina, I've practiced that. Mina ngisebenza straight. My money is clean money. Phuma ngathengisa amagwinya. I'm a chef. I'm an entrepreneur. Besides le abantu abangazi ngayo as an artist, as an actor. Ngi-actor in a cast, ngi-actor in a production. Ngi-actor kusasa as a owner, a biggest production in the country. Njengalama production amakhulu lawa asicasha masiphume nje. So it's all about the belief. The belief, my brother. So tell me this. Ashayele ubabkhila izandla, the president.
Yeah.
Even ama-prison wada afana nabo Brakhila.
Yeah.
Do you believe ukuthi rehabilitation exists when you're in prison? Tell me about that. What is the process of being rehabilitated or the process of rehabilitation? We balance it from the Department of Correctional Services to the inmates themselves.
Yona ikhona, it depends by
an individual.
Ukuthi wena uzimiseleni na. Because angithi yabheka ejele, funda free.
Yeah.
And courses free. Everything wena just nje umzimba wakho kumele ube lapha nengqondo kuphela.
It's a matter of deciding.
Solo ungena lapho ungazi ukubhala igama lakho.
Yeah.
Ungazi ukufunda, ungazi ukukhuluma English.
Yeah.
Ngene umzimba wakho lapha ngene wasekazi. Umzimba wakho aphume lapha ne grade 12. Melusi.
You remind me, two old men in Sun City bayenza grade 1. Abanamadeva amhlophe. When I started my movement, bathi mfana sifisa ngabe besilingana nawe. Indlela uyithathayo yiyo. Bheka ke thina singabomkhulu. khani sithola i-opportunity yokuya esikolweni but imfundo ayikhulelwa. So what I'm trying to emphasize here, it's never be late for anyone.
Yeah.
Young or old, you still have a chance to go to school. Success is not a calling. It's a choice.
It's a choice.
You make a decision, do you want to be poor or you want to be successful?
Ya yona injalo ngoba manje ejele laba bantu laba beze ngomsebenzi. Ukuthi wenzani uyadla udla ushaya hunger strike uyalala uyavuka, they don't care as long as they get paid.
Bona baze emsebenzini ngo4 bashaya imaster baye emakhaya wabo usala wena lapho.
Sala wena.
Yeah.
So uyabona ukuthi wena lapho ukhona, you have to decide for yourself ukuthi ngoba ngila mangiphuma nginani la kule jini. Okay, kumele ngiphume nginalo, angikwazi ukubhala igama lami, kumele ngiphume ngikwazi ukubhala igama lami, kumele ngiphume ngikwazi enkhosinyane e1 or ngenze noma yini ejele, ama acting drama, everything.
Did you do drugs in your life?
Zolo kuphela.
Okay.
Never do drugs.
Okay.
Ngathengisile but asani waphela.
Wazange waphela. How did you survive?
Survive ngokuthi almost ama-drugs bengibona what they do to people.
Yeah.
Umuntu ukhona ukuthengisa isinkwa sakhe, ukhona ukuthengisa inyama yakhe. Uzokhona ukuthola into okubheka. So mina ngabona ukuthi le mpilo le can be. Le thengisa isinkwa, thengisa inyama, abanye they can sell their body. Uzothi akhona ukubheka.
Yeah.
So ngayibona ukuthi le mpilo le no. What about outside ke? Ngoba manje la litholakala ngokuncane. Lapha kusemhlabeni kuvulekile. Yonke indawo mawuthi ngapha kumana imagine ngapha yini.
If given a chance, if I make you a president now or a minister, how will you help the people of the country, more especially the South Africans, in this misery le abakuyo in terms of drugs, in terms of crime, in terms of poverty, in terms of unemployment, in terms of garavanting?
One thing, abona manje umsebenzi wamanje uyinkinga manje. Uzothola umuntu ano grade 12, umuntu uphethe ama-diploma, umuntu uphethe akasipali, uyahereza kunzima. But uthola umuntu one-skill okwazi ukufaka i-tiles, akwazi ukukhuluma isilungu nomlungu. But uyamtshela mina kanufaka kalo-tiles kalo good, nice. Lungathi yes serious athi yeah ayifake i-tiles umlungu akhatha. Wena ufike nge-English. Ukhulume le English yakho ifundele wenzeni ulungu abona ukuthi lo uyadura. I-skill, abona i-skill man. Ngabe kahle bathi from primary.
Yeah.
From primary you learn. Babona ukuthi lo mntwana lo uthanda i-drawing.
Yeah.
They compare to drawings.
Yeah.
Lo mntwana lo uthanda ukupheka. Fake ukupheka. Bangamlindi ukuthi ayithi grade 12, after grade 12 kumele ufundele ukupheka. That time mina ngikhalela lesa sikhathi from primary to high school. Mabangafaka ama-skills esikolweni.
Yeah.
Umntwana makithi ibholweni mfake ebholweni. Lo makathi good boxing mfake ku-boxing. From school abe naleso skill. Kube ukuthi maybe somewhere bafuna umuntu we-boxing or bafuna umuntu okupheka, bafuna umuntu owakha. They can go to school and look for those guys. Umntwana omlungu kunokuthi makakhula sisemncane sekayenza ama-CV, sekayenza ama-N courses. He didn't even reach grade 12.
Ufundiswa ubaba kuhambe naye emsebenzini, lento le yasendlini akhula ngayo. Wena maso complete matric yena is far beyond.
Sekane yakhe. Wena ma complete matric yena sekane fame yakhe.
And the worst part angithi umnotho uphethwa abelungu. So kuba easy for yena ngoba ubabakhe une fame. Wena as a black child you need to start from the ground.
Yona injalo ngoba nami ni construction. incosi yami mina mangizoyiyekelela manje ngingabheki ukuthi what type of skill yena anazo ngimdevelope la kiso ngibheke ukuthi abelungu yibo ba nathi abodaki sikrele just we don't have time to share nabantwana esikhathini ngoba manje abantwana bamanje mawuthi uyamkhombisa kuba ngathi wena uyamhlukumeza kanti naye uprevent lento le uyibonayo ezako yena uthini uthi wena uyamhlukumeza.
How difficult it is to get a job as a person like you coming from prison who have a criminal record, and then how can that be resolved?
Ekunzima sometimes into wathi criminal record angazi yaphi yes ekunzima sometimes ngoba manje unokuthi mawungena la bathi okay uyazi ijob esokuthi angiyazi ijob kanje kanje akithi manje ubheke ukuthi ngiyasayina nalabantu engisayina kibo kumele ngizobatshela ukuthi ngivuse indawo eMaliboro nejob kanje eMaliboro. So kumele ngitshele bani kumele ngitshele icustomer kuqala ukuthi Joe ungamangali mina ngumuntu osayina so uyabona useka seyivala yonke that sekaqala manje sekajudge
and then Zoro, how do you overcome the stigma lesibati once a criminal always a criminal?
Leso ngisibuvakhambe ukuthi manje yabona lento wathi once a criminal is always a criminal, is not like that. Once a criminal can change, can be a pastor. Yeah.
Njengonjabulo.
Jabulo was a hijack, biggest hijack man pastor. Yeah. Njengamuzuru kanje waziwe Zuru uyahlaba ngomupha Zuru nomajanja kanjani yabona. So at the end agcina ngibona ukuthi yasithini criminal sometimes unokuluza into ezi-right ngenxa yobucriminal. Ngiyangitsho unokuphuma endleleni ngenxa yobucriminal. He wants to prove you wrong. Kuthi hey GP phela nami nguzulu. That means mangithi nami nguzulu, that means I'm going back. And wena awusila ukuthi hayi ngifuna ukubona uzulu we were just talking. So sometimes criminal is not always a criminal. When we are saying that we be a criminal because we want to prove good GP, good name, also. When I started to prove to you, is where I started to make mistake.
How much have you affected your family, your mother, your father, your sister? Ngasikhathi usaphila impilo yobugebengu. And then, how much have they appreciated you today?
Ngoba ngikhuliswe single parent. Hlukumezile ngamagogo. 365 days uye bekangibhesuka. Yeah. Even one single friend enginabo bonke akekho noyi-one owavele ejele. Oravele uma ugoga vela athi ayiniki namhlanje nginiki R2 nike ubani bani umngani wakho. Never. Kuze umagogo, kuze ukhila, kuze uAroni, kuze umntwana sendlini. Ayirina noKilibonga. So izinto ezinjalo yilezi ezingifundisile nangibona ukuthi okay jabula nolento wathi jabula makupower, jabula makumnandi. Amasinozuru yonke into ihlila kumnandi everything ngiyanthola. So mara lo muntu lo kwenzela yonke into ebumnandi makasenkingeni uthini ngaye na? Is still your friend? No, it's not still my friend. You got another friend that you can use again.
Do you have friends now?
No.
You don't have friends?
I don't have friends. Friends were first one.
Okay.
You've
learned the hard way.
I've learned it in the hard way. Fit manje ngihlezi nginefro yami. Umusa wangikhombisa enye into. Ngithe mangiphume ejele since ngihlangane nalo yamuntu lo. Ngasitshela uthini? I want to take friends aside. Ngiphile impilo yami ngizibone ukuthi ngophelelaphi impilo yami. Friends they come. And when they come, wafika bangithola ngihleli ne-madam or ngihleli nesibari or ngihleli no-my sister. Bayabhoreka. Ezuru mfethu athi nabe sithi sokushayela around mara afike akuna-stress esubona ubani ngayo uyabona. They passed. Mara abangafika bangithola ngihleli ngiyi-1 ngibeke 24 ngibeke nebhodlela. Bazothi ezuru uthini mfethu ashapha hayi nami mfethu uthi sithola ibhodlela. Indaba isuka lapha kulela bhodlela nakulo. Ngathi intanga sinthi ungekho. Ngalenja le yangale intanga sinthi bheka nalesiqale esinikwe uyi. Uzokutshela ngebhodlela ukuthi since wena ungekho yena uthole le nkinga le. What about wena mawungekho le nkinga le bona ejele? Uyayazi wena le ohlangabezene nayo.
Yazi ngikhumbuza le ngoma le ihamba nabochumi.
Hamba nabochumi. Eish.
Angisafuni ukuhamba nabo nokuploma nokuspina hamba ngaphandle besikruva sonke nokutshontsha besitshontsha sonke angiboshi wabasafuna ukuzongibona bayekeleni hamba nabochumi. Mawukhuluma kanje kuza leyo ngoma kimi ithi hamba nabochumi. That's why I repeat Masetanyani, the music speaks to us.
Almost.
Speak on our behalf.
Almost.
Ngicela the last message for the youth. Yini nje into esesifubeni sakho ofuna ukuyitshela youth. You are a leader now.
Ku-youth bafethu ngilana ukubhema. And one thing for sure, le nhlezi ngiyikhuluma always, don't choose man.
Yeah.
Yabona, when I say don't choose man, I mean don't choose job. Imali ngeke usho ukuthi le mali le i-10 rand ibuya ebushari, i-50 rand le ibuya emagwinyeni,
le ibuya ematamatini,
le ibuya kuphi yayibona,
imali
ekugcineni. Don't choose man.
Money is money.
Money is money. Ukuthi uthole kuphi kanjani, but anything about job, not about crime.
Yes.
About job. Noma ungavuka ekuseni ubeke ikhona lakho ubeke 2 ama-20 abogwayi ubambele ekuseni eziye emsebenzini zithenga abogwayi lama 20 ayi2 ziwacede upakisha into yakho ubuyele endlini yolala. Ngabo ma-8 mawuvuka unalo i2 rand. Lala ama-20 la ubambe from 5 to 7.
I believe bonawo ama-role model weyigebengu makhulu. Laba besibheke kubo ukuthi ngifuna ukufana nale Grootman le ngoba ine M5 isurround amantombazana kakhulu igcoka kahle ine power. And then walandela ijeni yakho yakufikisa eModapi. Wafika eModapi wabona ngelinyiso. How can you address that issue?
Ungikhawathile GP. Awungikhawathile. Uwe noMandoza.
Yeah.
Ngikhawathile. Even today I couldn't believe.
Yeah.
Ifoni yami igcwele ngawo.
Yeah.
Since ona le gama lakaZulu or yile langenza so. Jangafana no GP. But muswena uGP nta. Just my gonna sugayela kaZulu igama yabona. Mara yabona le Grootman iphila a tycoon life. What do you mean when I mean a tycoon life? Ungikhawathile Grootman. I believe ukuthi konke mina kungifuna uwe noMandoza. uMandoza ubhole ngisetrial. I even cried that Mara's team. There's the last man standing. GP. That guy, one day, I want to be there. Fane na there out here. Ukuthi wenze ngani, wenza ngani, or ugeza ngani, uzofika lakho.
Ufune ukufana no GP based on history yaka Israel ukuthi he was a criminal, he went to prison, he changed his life and he became successful. In that man,
in that man. And I've been there. Not mangisejele ngathi enayo vele wangena nje. Futhi vele ngizohamba enyaweni zakhe. Mara zibuhlungu mara let me go.
So today, uhleli naye, last man standing. How do you feel today?
Proud. I can see petit key manje zele minyango yami. We-one nguvulile. I don't know what is the next door.
Yeah.
Ukuthi ngiphatheleni and ngaphakathi angazi kunani. Silonge ngivule lo we-one. Okuningi sengizozibonela ngaphakathi.
Siyabonga mfoka baba. That is why kunale program.
Yeah.
Bayicela amajita. Mangiphume eDanyani ngabuyele eDanyani ngifundisa amajita. That was my job. Bengazi ngeke ngicashwe vele because of criminal record. So ngasicasha mina. Ispan sami is self-made. So what I did to you, go preach the gospel fella. Go teach the next person.
Thank you.
Kunalo ozofuna ukufana nawe manje.
Yeah.
Osibhekile manje ukuthi yabona manje ekasi lakhe Davidon ngifuna ukufana noZulu.
Yeah.
Usenkingeni manje umntwana abantu kiwe roundini kwenzeka kabuyi namhlanje. Ngiyangumusa kaNkulunkulu aboshwe ngebhadi bamphula ikhanda.
Yeah.
Or abe critical wheelchair. So what I did, you relay is a baiting. Le baiting ninike wena. Ithathe uyoyinika bani.
Yeah.
By so but each one teach one.
Each one teach one.
And each one teach all.
Kunjani.
By so doing, that's the best we can do. Angeke sifolisa abantu iline sinika abantu imali, phaka mali. No. We can't do that. By so doing, I believe yilo ilifa elikhulu ke sibanika lona. Nabo bazanika izukulu zabo generation and generation to come.
Injalo.
Mntaka baba siyayivala. Siyicibile. Bathi umsebenzi omhle siwenzile. Ukudlula la kwasho enye out ngihlala naye atawuthamba. Wena noma ungabhora sokuqedile ngo. Sinjenje uwe usebenzile emhlabeni. Hayi ukuthi ngifuna ukudora mangisuka la kusasa ngiyabhora but it simply meant that I've done a lot for the country and I'm very proud ngihlale nomuntu ofana nawe because this was a difficult sector to deal with. It needed someone who has an experience ophume eDanyani and eSedanyani bebasilethela abodoctor basilethela abantu abangekho relevant abangahuzukanga lekwesihuzo. So hence kunalo muntu onjengami emhlabeni. Ngikhuthele mangikubona ukuthi usendleleni right. You're gonna prosper. You've made it already. And you're still gonna make it. Sizohlangana empilweni. Sihlangane. I will never disappoint you. And don't disappoint. And let us not disappoint those who look up to us.
Thank you.
Ngoba masingabuyela eDanyani mina nawe. Ngajutheka mina bathi udala namba ngiofarile bafikile abama-heist, bafikile abama-robbery, bafikile abama-drugs. Bathi hayi bona siyakwazi. Unumber 10. Naye asiye. Kuthi ngiyawafuna ama-Porsche nami. Ngiyafuna ukuhlala eSandton. Mara uNkulunkulu ungiphile lezi and ungiphe ukudlula abanye. Lezi bengicabanga ukuthi angeke ngibe nazo ngandlulela. Ziyangidronka nokungidronka. Angisazi ukuthi ngifunani. Yeah, shothi ngiyakhuthaza uthami ukuthi mani ungalahli ithemba ungajutheki. Your program of your lifestyle, living with your family, it's a good thing. If Flope siyenza, we spend most time studying. We don't spend time with our spouse, with our partners, with our kids. Sinezindlu asihlali kuzo. Siya ngokuyolala. Sihlala sikalavanta, sihlala sestrategy. I've learned something now from Goa today, which I need to spend time nabantu engiphila nabo endlini. Yazi ngihlale nabo bayangidinga bangibone indlebe bangibone wonke amakhono wami ukuthi ubhuti wethu siphila naye siyamazi.
Yebo.
Asibonge mntaka baba, maybe khona ufuna ukukusho kokugcina ebantwini ongakusho before ngivala.
Ya kukhona.
Yeah.
Bafethu kunzima la ngaphandle. Nawe mfethu usejele, nawe la ngaphandle. Kunzima la ngaphandle. Ungathatha umunye umuntu kancane. Lo umthatha kancane yilo ozokuyisa phambili. Asizame nje ukuthi sincedane empilweni. Mawubona umakhi asogole next door. Try to help. Next time kuzoba uye kusasa. Uzothi makhi ngizwile ukuthi bafuna abantu kuphi kuphi. Sithi ukubona uhleli woza sami. Sike manje life yakho izocala kuba easy. Into ongayisho kuphela.
Spirit. Danke mfowethu. As GP Ma Orange, Ghetto Professor, King Manamune, Boss Fruit, Fruit and Veg, King Fruit. Isichangani, iMalamula.
Thank you. Hayi Zolumjita aka bafethu.
Yeah.
Akukho ukuthi ngiyabonga. Thank you.
Asibonge.
Chap chap.